boys, it's Brother Shaft. I wanted to show you what you're going to be doing in preparation for one of our activities. We're going to be having a rubber band shooting competition, and you're going to make your own rubber band gun. Here's an example of rubber band gun, 2 pieces of wood attached with a bracket. There's a clothespin attached, in this case with rubber bands, and a slot at the end. You put the rubber band in the slot, pull it back, undo the clothespin, and then put it over there so that the rubber band is attached to clothespin and to the end. You simply aim it at your target and then shoot by pulling the clothespin down. You're going to be building that. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to receive a kit. We'll deliver this to each of your homes, and in the kit are a number of things. There's the 2 pieces of wood that you need to make it. They are already pre-drilled with holes. There's a bracket that you'll use to attach it. Just as a reminder, the bracket attaches the 2 pieces of wood together and you screw them in. So you've got wood, brackets. You only need 1, but I gave you 2 in case you wanted to put a second in. Several screws. We've got clothespins. I gave you several in case one breaks. And then we've also given you 3 cups so that you can set up a target range, a string that's 8 feet long, and so that you can measure how far to be away from it so everybody's competitive, and then a bunch of rubber bands. Okay? So when you build it, your kit will also include a diagram of how to make it and the steps required to make the rubber band gun. So when you put it together, you're going to have the opportunity to put on the clothespin. In this case, we put it on, attached it with 2 rubber bands. You might also attach it using duct tape. Here is this example. You might attach it using a nail, like there is behind here. There's a little nail. Okay. You could also attach it using a screw. This is a screw in here. You might also simply glue it on using Elmer's glue. Okay. When you build it, you'll have all the parts, but you're going to need to have a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver is a screwdriver, when you look at the end, that looks kind of like a plus when you look at it straight at it. So it's not a slotted screwdriver, it's a Phillips screwdriver. When you put it together then, we want you to set up your target range and get some practice in so that when we get together, you can have the competition and everybody's used to shooting from the same distance. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, one more thing. If you have a file, you might want to file a little slot in the end crossways by just taking a little file and going back and forth. That gives a place for the rubber band to sit in more easily when you pull it back. Again, pull it back, open the clothespin, close it again. Now, then you aim it and shoot. Alrighty? If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to getting together with you guys.